Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the car and exposing the rear caliper. First, jack and secure the vehicle, remove the wheel, and locate the emergency brake cable entering the caliper bracket. Spray penetrating oil on the cable end and mounting bolts so removal is smoother. Let it soak a few minutes while you position tools. Use a 10-14 socket to loosen the caliper mounting or cable bracket bolts just enough to allow movement. Once done, you're ready to free the cable end from the caliper. You now tackle the linkage connection directly. If the caliper piston blocks access, slightly retract it using the appropriate tool so you can see the cable end. Next, remove the retaining clip or C-clip that secures the cable to the caliper arm. Use pliers to pry the clip free and a flat punch to drift out any pin holding the cable end. Once the retainer is out, pull the cable housing back, slide the cable end through the bracket, and guide it clear of the caliper arm. You finish by withdrawing the cable through the backing plate and out of the chassis, feeding it past any support clips or guide tubes so it doesn't snag. Inspect the inner cable and housing for corrosion or fraying. Replace the inner cable or the whole assembly if you see wear, because reusing a damaged cable risks lockup. Once replaced or removed, reattach the retaining clip, torque fasteners to spec, reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and test the emergency brake for proper tension and operation before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.